Welcome you to the day 6 of the August LeetCode Challenge, and let's see what is today's question. So today's question is, find all the duplicates in an array. Let's go through the question together. Given an array from 1 to n, some elements appear twice and others appear once. Find all the elements that appear twice. So the first thought that I got after reading this question is, you create a map where you'll be storing the frequencies of all the elements, and as soon as you find an element two times, you add it in the result array. So this is solution one. The other solution could be, you sort the array, and then using the two pointer approach, you identify whether the first element is equal to the next element or not, and if they are equal, you add it in the result. So these two approaches, the first one is space expensive, while the second one is time expensive, as the best time complexity would be order of log n log n. So instead of solving that way, there's a trick through which we can solve it in order of one runtime and without using any extra space. That means order of one space, constant space. So if you are aware of the trick, you'll be able to solve it. If you are not aware of the trick, let's try and figure that out. So I have taken a data set where the elements are like this: 3, 1, 2, 2. The zeroth index has 3 value in it. The first one has 1, the second index has 2, and the third index has 2 again. So it satisfies the condition that all the elements lie from 1 to the length of the string, which is 4. It's true, and I have 4 elements in that array. So the trick lies here. I need to reduce the complete data set by 1, because the indexes in the array starts from 0 to n minus 1, 0 to 3. So I'll first of all go and reduce everything by 1. Because you start with you iterate through the array, pick up an element, and then you find the absolute value of it. You go to the index where it actually is and negate that value. What it means is, you start with the 0th index, the value is 2. You go to that index and negate that value. So I put a minus here and it is done. Now comes the second iteration, second index, where I'll be going to the 0th index from 1, and I came here and I negated this value. This becomes 0 minus, and then I move to I becomes 2. I found the absolute value here, and I went to its position, the one first position, and I negated it. And now comes the case where I am at 3, and I have to I went to the first position this time. The first position is 0, and I saw that it's negative. That means it's a case of repetition. Since it was negative, I'll add this plus 1, the absolute value plus 1 into the answer, and this will give me the complete data set where duplication is happening. So the case is very simple. You find the absolute value of the number, you go to that index, and you negate that value. Signifies that the current index has been visited in the past. I need to add that value in your data set plus 1. So let's try and code this out. So integer ans, so this is an array that will be storing my answer data set. I'll iterate through the loop, nums.length I plus plus. You find the index where you need to search, math dot absolute value nums of I minus 1 if nums of index is less than 0, ans dot add index plus 1. Because you subtracted 1 from here, you need to balance it up, and you simply negate nums of index to n of nums of index. Uh, since there are only maximum two occurrences, so this will always work. Had it been the case where there are multiple instances of the same element, it would have failed. Looks good. I'll go and submit this. Accepted. Thanks for watching the video. And